In this video, I am going to share with you a tea thermos and its features. First of all, let's talk about its body. So overall it looks very good. It has a handle on its top, which makes it easy to carry. And if you want, you can also hold it from the side. Now let's open its lid and take a look at its other features. So guys, if we look at its lid, it also has a thermometer installed in it, which shows its internal temperature. And you will also get a good idea of how hot the water or tea in it is. Let's also take a closer look at its interior. So if you look, it is quite large inside, which can store a lot of water or tea. So viewers, I think using such items is a great choice. What is your opinion about this? Let me know in the comments. And no, I will tell you about a bike horn and its use. Those who often worry about the bike horn breaking are going to have fun. If you look at it upside down, there is a rubber band on its back. Now, place it on the bike handle and tighten it with the rubber band. If you look at its front, there are also buttons on it. There is also a charging option on its back. You can charge it and use it again. You can also increase or decrease the volume of the horn using these buttons. So viewers, these were the features of this horn. Now after using it, tell us your experience in the comments. So now we talk about a Bluetooth speaker and see what features are given in it. First of all, it has a display screen, which has been seen for the first time. While on its top, there is a power button and all the functional buttons with which it is operated. And if you look at its backside, it also has USB ports. So if you want, you can also use it by inserting a USB into it. So as soon as you insert a USB into it, now you can enjoy playing music in it if you want. Or you can also play a game because it has a display screen. So viewers, now you can take advantage of this Bluetooth as you want. So let's discuss a cleaning mop machine. Because until your cleaning mop is clean, how will you clean your house properly? That's why a liquid surf box is made in one part of the mop to clean it. As soon as you put the mop in it and press it, all the stains on the mop are cleaned with liquid surf. Along with this, there is also a box with clean water on the other side. Now you put this mop in the clean water part and wash it well, so that all the dirt in it is cleaned well. So as soon as your mop is washed and clean, you can use it to clean the house as you want. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's start today's video. In this video, we will see a unique lamp and its features. Let's now take this lamp out of the box and discuss it in detail. This lamp only requires gas to operate, so you can use it by placing it on top of the gas filter. So as soon as you place it on top of the filter, turn on its gas. Now you can also turn on this lamp with its power button. In this way, your lamp will start burning, and you can use it as you want according to your needs. You can also increase or decrease the gas flame with the button installed in it. So guys, these were the main features of this lamp. Now you also use it and tell me how to use it. Viewers, today I will tell you about a music light. If we talk about its design, then it has a very beautiful design in this regard. A Bengal clip is attached to the back of the light. So as soon as you put it in the holder and turn on the light, so the lights of different designs start burning in it. Usually such lights are also installed to enhance the atmosphere of parties. It has multicolored lights installed in it, which automatically change after a few seconds. Such lights give a good impression in front of the guests who come to the parties. So guys, let's talk about a mini fan in this video. If you look at it, it is a small fan, but no compromise has been made on it regarding the air. If you look at the weight, it is very lightweight. You can easily carry it from one place to another. It has a power button on its base, which can be used to turn it on or off. Even in the hottest summer season, you can easily spend the whole day with this mini fan. Along with its power button, there is also a rotating button. You can put it on rotating mode and circulate air throughout the room. You can also use its top part by moving it up or down. So viewers, now you also use it and express your thoughts in the comments.